everyone, this is Nancy Mandal from section 11. Today I am going to continue and complete the 3D printing of the pen stand and vase that I have created and explained in my earlier video. Here is my pen stand on which I have done the mesh design from here by selecting the NetZen as fine. Then I imported it in Cura software. Here I have made it vertical by choosing here the lay flat option. Then I set the profile by selecting draft as 0.2 mm, infill density as 100%, printing temperature as 200 degrees Celsius and build plate temperature as 80 degrees Celsius. I have chosen print speed as 60 mm per second and the build plate adhesion type is brim. I have chosen extruder 1 for printing purpose. Now I have sliced it. So we can see the preview here. This is the pen stand and the time that it will take to get printed is 6 hours and 55 minutes. The material required has its mass as 83 gram and length as 10.53 meter. We can see the whole process of printing step by step by using this drag bar. You can see that it is infilled layer by layer in this pattern from inside. Here we can see it by closer look. This is the pattern by which it will get infilled and will be completed like this. Now I can save this to the disk and then we can put the disk in the 3D printer to get the model. For the vase, I have followed the same settings. Here is the vase and here is the preview. The time taken for the vase will be 2 hours and 18 minutes to get printed because I have reduced the infill density to 20% here. This is a method to reduce the time and material required for the model. And here we can see the volume of the model. It is 84.7 into 84.7 into 100.0 millimeter. The material required for this model has its mass as 43 gram and length as 5.41 meter. Here we can see it layer by layer, the printing steps, and by reducing the infill density we can see that the layers are different than from the pen stand where the infill density was 100%. So it's now ready to complete and to get into the 3D printer for completing the printing process. Thank you.